pink thing. Okay, I'm just gonna help you.
Boo! It's right there. Boo! Go get it. It's right there.
Right there. Look, you see it? Right there. No.
Don't you dare.
You dumbass. As if it's still alive.
Throw that.
Step. It's a good thing I shut the house door. Where is he? He's right there. He's right there. Boo. Up. Come up.
Where is it?
Right there. In the 4 steps down.
Damn, we left the mom down here.
I know.
Wait, let me go.
Wait, hold on, come here. Hold on. I have a laser pointer.
Ah, that works. I'm shaking.
Come on, Boo. Follow the laser pointer. It's right here. You dumbass. I realize a laser pointer is really boring, but I'm trying to show you where the fuck he is.
This has been going on for almost 10 minutes.
Let's see if I can get this one. Do you see it?
No!
Shit.
Boo! It's right there again. Dude, the crazy little bastard.
You see it now, asshole?
Here. I'm just going around the corner with it. Here, let's bring the gate with us this time.
Okay. I'll try not to get your ass crack. He's in the laundry room.
I know he is. Make this thing bigger.
There we go.
Like, oh, I don't want to step on that.
I don't know where he is.
He's in the laundry room somewhere.
Okay, well, let's open up the disgusting bathroom door so we have something to run into and turn the light on.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, I see him. He dropped it in the laundry. You asshole.
No, you did.
Do you see him?
No.
Is that going to be stable?
Oh, he's right there. I was going to say. Oh, no, I lost him. Here. Say, let's get it.
Oh, right there. There he is.
He starts running.
Still
I'm running.
alive.
I know, the poor little bastard.
I'm not touching anything. He can lift it up himself. Last time I did that, it fucking ran at us.
Very true. Or Boo ran at us with it.
Yeah, that too. Did you lose it?
It's underneath.
Okay, I'm gonna go up on the washroom. It's under, you dumbass.
Did you find it yet?
Post this on Facebook. Be putting warning, foul language and lots of screaming. Bad video due to running.
And lots of girly screaming. Girly screaming and bad. High pitched. Put earplugs in halfway through.
Bless you. I think it's still in that.
In the thing.
I wouldn't be scared if it was dead.
Mm-hmm.
But it's alive. Pooh Bear, are you joking me?
That's not under there. Okay, stick. This is my only defense. There it is.
See?
Rest
Yeah.
of the stick.
You might scare me away though. Boo!
Where is he?
Hide me.
Fucking do not.
Go on to cat.
As long as it stays there.
It's probably not helping that we're following him with like cameras, but. This is like a 15-minute video. Get him. Give him a little nudge. There you go. Let it be. He'll hunt it.
Dude, he's just taking it.
Well, because as you can see, Boo Bear does not have his claws out. He's just playing.
Yeah.
He's not really biting him.
Why so?
He's playing more gentle with that thing than he plays with me. Scratch marks from him literally half an hour ago. And yet this mouse is still alive. Jesus Christ, Boo, who are you loyal to? Pardon my
French.
language.
Ah, there he is. Hey, he's right there. He's right there.
He's like hyperventilating.
I think so.
Get him. Right beside my old set of extensions. Go eat him.
Where's he going underneath the stairs?
I don't know. I don't know if that leads to under the stairs or not. I think that's all blocked off. That's just the water heater. I think.
Boo Bear. Here, go up onto that chair.
I'm not going on that chair. Fuck you.
I'll go check. I might trust me.
I should have a flashlight on this thing. Oh wait, I do. Aha, I do.
Oh no, I can't tell. No, I'm not going. Be underneath.
Yeah, he's under there. See?
Oh, yeah.
swear to God, if that fucking thing comes at me, I'm gonna scream and drop my phone.